Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the free bus that the executive governor of Abia State has given Abia. So it's free for now, and maybe later they might start charging. So I got on this bus to experience, you know, how it feels, what it feels like to be in this modern bus. It's an electric bus, makes no sound, and I'm going straight to Abia. So watch the video and tell me what you think in the comment section.
I don't want to stay inside.
Yes,
all free bus.
free bus.
Start the London, they say free bus. I go straight to London.
So guys, this is Ohanku Road in Abia State. It's a significant route that leads towards the Ndoke area and connects to other parts like Azumini, where we have the Azumili Blue River, linking to major roads, though its condition and directness can vary, with recent upgrades aiming to improve connectivity to surrounding regions, including Ndoke areas. So I was told that this road, if you keep going down, that you're going to, get to Ndoke. This road serves as a key artery with plans and recent developments focusing on connecting it to areas like Azumili, which I mentioned before, and potentially linking to the Akwa Ibom State Express Road, which benefits the Ndoke region. The road has seen recent commissioning and development under His Excellency Governor Alex Choma Oti, with efforts to improve infrastructure in the broader Abia area, including areas related to Ndoke. So while Ohanku Road itself might not end directly in the heart of Ndoke, it's a vital part of the road network that provides access to and from the Ndoke region and its surrounding communities. So guys, kindly watch the video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. Some of you know this road when it was in a terrible condition until the executive governor of Abia State came to his rescue. Now a lot of people living in this area are now happy and fulfilled, seeing that their road is now okay, is now motorable. It was very, very bad before. I wish I can put up a picture of how the road was before, but now as you can see, it's a double lane road with street lights, solar powered street lights, and it has a walkway, pedestrian walkway, not even one-sided, but in the two sides. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified. And I'm going to be dropping more videos I made here in Abia, the commercial hub of Abia State. So stay tuned. And as you're watching the video, if you're from this area, if you have lived in this area, if you know this area, you can also tell us in the comment section. Ohanku Road in Abia was commissioned on October 3rd, 2025. That's last year by His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who was represented by the Minister of Works, Dr. David Umuahia. The reconstruction of the road was part of a larger infrastructure drive by His Excellency Governor Alex Oti's administration in Abia State. So let's talk about some key dates here. The flag off of reconstruction of this road you are seeing on your screen. The reconstruction of Ohanku Road was announced to begin immediately after the Easter celebration in March 2024, with provisions in the 2024 Appropriation Act for its construction using cement pavement technology. The road project, along with others, aimed to improve connectivity and boost economic activity in Abia after decades of neglect. You can get to this road, Ohanku Road, through Ngwa Road. It has a direct connection to Ngwa Road. If you are driving through Ngwa Road, one of the junctions, I think on your left-hand side, will take you to Ohanku Road. Ohanku Road, from what I gathered online, has been barred for over more than 24 years. People living in that area that are watching this video, you can tell us in the comments section if the information I got online is true. But luckily enough, the wave of the new Abia under His Excellency Dr. Alex Choma Oti remembered the road. It is important to note that this road serves as a relief to many people as thousands of Abia residents reside in the area. Ohanku Road is one important road that connects the people of Abia South and Ugunabo local government area together. So apart from the markets along Ngwa Road, this Ohanku Road has also, I think, some small markets. I saw a couple of them where they sell foodstuffs and some other commodities. You man on the business. Every corner you go in Abba, that business they do for there. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Just kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified.